Good day, Professor Sylvia. My name is Nena Eze, and I'm presenting my social media analysis of Naija Kitchen Restaurants. The campaign concept. The service and the products that Naija Kitchen Restaurant offers are all based on my imagination. So Naija Kitchen is a fictitious restaurant that I created out of my imagination for the purpose of this assignment. It provides services as a culinary destination in Boston, Massachusetts, where the rich and vibrant flavors of West Africa come to life. It also offers products through its diverse and delicious cuisine from Nigeria and West Africa. The objectives of this restaurant are fourfold. One, it seeks to enhance awareness of our services and products by engaging with existing and potential customers. These are the objectives of the analysis that I want to do in this assignment. The second objective is to build the brand centered on the restaurant's uniquely tasteful dishes and cultural heritage. Third is to improve sales and customer traffic to the restaurant. And finally, sustainably increase the restaurant's growth and profitability. Our target audience analysis. So the target demographic that I have targeted is all genders aged 18 to 60 years. These include students, working class, retired residents, and tourists. We are also targeting the diverse ethnicities with focus on Blacks, African Americans, West African immigrants, and multicultural food enthusiasts. Regarding their interests, these demographic are culinary enthusiasts that enjoy exploring diverse, authentic, and healthy cuisines that are prepared with sustainably sourced ingredients. The behavioral observations reveal that Boston is an international city with highly educated population having disposable income. The audience enjoys frequent and unique dining experiences, and they are active on social media platforms. They also support businesses, including locally owned restaurants. The justification for choosing this target audience as follows. One, Boston is a diverse city with a high population of young people considering its count of 64 colleges and universities. The multicultural landscape of Boston, as well as its intellectual residents, shows that they are eager to explore international cuisines, and it makes Boston a unique location for a West African restaurant. And finally, Boston residents and visitors are socially active and they enjoy dining out. I'm sure you observed this when you visited some weeks back. In this slide, we see our preferred social media platforms. As I explained earlier, Naija Kitchen does not exist. It's a fictitious company that I have created, and based on my research, I have chosen 5 different social media platforms that I believe that Naija Kitchen should engage on or engage in for the purpose of its business. So our preferred social media platforms are Instagram, Facebook, Yelp, Pinterest, and Twitter X. This will enable us to reach the diverse target demographic and attain the restaurant's objectives. The reasons for choosing each of these platforms are as displayed on this slide. Content strategy. In slide 9, we see that our contents will be versatile. These contents will be appealing, engaging, and informative for the audience. We will create videos, infographics, blog posts, photos, and stories to satisfy the unique needs of our target audience and inspire their willingness to pay for our products. We will also adapt each of these contents to suit the feature of each of the 5 social media platforms that we have chosen. To save costs, a lot of the content strategy will be developed and created in-house with minimal support from external consultants. This slide shows the additional strategies that we will employ in addition to the content strategy that we already have. So we will use hashtags for broader audience reach. We'll engage our audience promptly to encourage community building and improve our brand ratings. We'll also collaborate with critical stakeholders for enhanced growth. And finally, we will use analytics to track the performance of each of our posts, gain business insights, and make necessary adjustments to achieve our business objectives. Content calendar for a month-long campaign. I have created a breakdown of content posts for each day of the week over a 4-week period. I also have a unique description of the contents. These contents promise to be very engaging for the audience and attain our business objectives for Naija Kitchen. As you see, we have some demos to demonstrate the restaurant's relaxing ambience. It also shows collaboration with popular food bloggers, life-enhancing infographics, and something for everyone across age groups. Analytical insights. These analytical insights are aimed to be conducted with the use of text mining techniques. To conduct my social media analysis using text mining techniques, I will apply the following steps. Step 1 involves the collation of the data from Naija Kitchen's social media platforms, which I had mentioned earlier, and these will typically be collected as documents or files. Step 2, I will convert the documents to CSV files and perform preliminary functions for easy analysis. In step 3, I will apply regular expressions to remove weird symbols. Although this is not necessary for sentiment analysis, I thought it useful to apply this step. In step 4, I will tokenize the raw text by dividing the words and sentences to smaller pieces called word tokens and sentence tokens. I will use the NLTK library for this purpose. In step 5, I will remove the stop words that do not have significant meaning for text analysis. Examples of the stop words in English are as displayed on this slide. In step 6, I will tag the parts of speech to enhance the effectiveness of information retrieval systems by understanding the context and meaning of words. Step 7 involves lemmatizing each word to its root meaning. Lemmatization will ensure that I have accurate analysis in natural language processing task by using the correct base form of words. In step 8, I will apply n-grams, which are bigrams and trigrams, to understand the relationship among the words and those that fit best together. In step 9, I will create a bag of words using the vectorizer function to transform the text data into a structured numerical format that can be used for natural language processing. Alternatively, if I do not want to create the bag of words, I could decide to apply the TF-IDF to consider the frequency of the use of a word across all documents. Words that have higher TF-IDF scores are deemed to be more important because they have been used more frequently. It is also said that the TF-IDF is probably more accurate than the bag of words process. In step 10, I will now conduct my sentiment analysis using the Squarify and Veda sentiment in my Python notebook. I will also use the sentiment intensity analyzer. Now, Veda, which means Violence Aware Dictionary for Sentiment Reasoning, is sensitive to both polarity and intensity. Therefore, it will rate each word on a scale of -4 to +4. Words that have a rating of -4 are highly negative. Words with a rating of +4 are highly positive, while the words rated 0 are considered to be neutral. Having done this, I will apply in step 11 the topic modeling process. Conducting the topic modeling process will enable me to discover the hidden themes or topics within the collection of text data and analyze the audience's reaction and engagement. To do this, I will train the latent derelict allocation LDA model with a topic and word distribution. Thereafter, I will extract the topics from the LDA model. I will also then print the results to see the various topics being discussed by our followers, customers, and viewers. Now, what are the benefits of all these analysis processes that I have mentioned above? The entire text analysis process will provide business insights that Naija Kitchen can apply to enhance its customer satisfaction, develop marketing strategies, improve its visibility, grow sales, and enlarge its profit ratio. In this slide, I have provided a list of the references that I referred to in the preparation of this presentation. Thank you for listening.